Hi viewers, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq, and today's recipe is made of old rice, means the leftover rice. This is the leftover rice and it has produced yeast. This is very good for weight loss. It's a breakfast recipe. I have poured water and kept. It has become little sour. In Tamil we call it palankanji. So we'll see how to make a recipe with it. Rice, chopped onions, ginger garlic paste, garlic chopped, curry leaves, tomatoes, beans, green chilies, carrot and potato. And now let's see how to make the recipe. Here I am starting. I have switched the flame on and now I am pouring the oil. The vessel is hot. When the oil is nice and hot, add garlic, chopped garlic. Also add the green chilies. I am using my lid. Now add the chopped onion. Chop them in. Also add curry leaves. Now we can add ginger garlic paste. Add half teaspoon garam masala. Add a little bit of turmeric. Add a little bit of turmeric. Add quarter teaspoon coriander powder. Mix them well. Add quarter teaspoon cumin powder. Now I am adding tomatoes. Good mix. Use your lid. Add a little bit of salt because the rice has the salt. I am adding a little bit. Next I am going to add carrot.
Also I am adding the beans.
Mix them well. I am adding potatoes and let the vegetables boil. No need to add any water. Mix it well. The masala is ready and now I am adding the rice little by little. And now it's ready. Rice is ready. The rice is ready.